How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We just heard a crazy rumor. It's massive. I want to talk about that and talk about what could happen, but also tell you about what is happening today. There's an insatiable hunger for Bitcoin. There's an insatiable hunger for crypto right now, and I can show you it. I want to walk through it though. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification underneath the video because I'm making videos all the time. I finally stopped making videos for the day, I thought. Went to the grocery store, but I need to cover this right now because I saw it happening when I just checked my phone, and I need to bring it to your attention. So hit subscribe so you can see future videos like this. I don't care where I am. I'm going to make videos if there's news. There's also a link down there to Margex where you can trade cryptocurrency. It's a boutique exchange, meaning it's got really good customer service. They're growing very quickly. Check it out. There's no KYC, no VPN. Now, we are seeing Bitcoin move up a little bit here today. We're in the low 43,000s, as I've said for months now. In the bull market, dips are meant for buying. You don't want to fade dips. By that, I mean, people get worried. Whenever we see a dip, a couple $100, a couple $1,000, people think, oh, maybe this is when we return back down to 30,000, 38,000, whatever the price is. But you can't be too bearish because the fact is the price will run away from you. If you don't have a big enough allocation, I suggest dollar cost averaging because I know big entities are doing this. I know big entities like BlackRock, Fidelity. I have a video later. Their plan to get your crypto away from you. I know they are buying like crazy right now. Even though some of them have a hard time buying straight up Bitcoin, you can see the demand. Look at CleanSpark today. CleanSpark stock. It's a Bitcoin mining stock. It's up 15%. Now, I didn't look to see if they had news, but I haven't seen any news. I saw other miners up 5, 10%. Bitcoin's up 2%. MicroStrategy is up 10%, up double digits. Usually it actually goes down a little bit after they announce a big buy like they did this morning. The market's changing. When they see MicroStrategy with the big buy, people are going and buying the stock. That's nuts. 10% when Bitcoin moves 2%, and it's a Bitcoin proxy. So there is this insatiable demand, which I've talked about before. People want allocation. They realize, maybe these big entities realize that they can't buy Bitcoin straight up. So they're buying Coinbase, they're buying CleanSpark, they're buying GBTC, they're buying MicroStrategy as much as they can. And it's doable. They can buy a couple $100 million here or there. And we know some of the biggest owners are Fidelity, BlackRock, these types of companies. Now, on to the big rumor. There's a rumor floating around. I can't confirm or deny, but there is a rumor from a very well-known source that says that MicroStrategy is getting ready to buy possibly $5 billion more of Bitcoin. That they might sell $5 billion worth of shares to go buy Bitcoin. Now, Dylan LeClaire commented that they could only sell about $3 billion more shares for Michael Saylor to keep a voting interest or a voting majority in the company. So I don't know if this is likely to happen. It wouldn't surprise me, honestly, if in 3 months or 2 months or something, Michael Saylor says, hey, instead of completing 16,000, purchase of 16,000 Bitcoin, we bought 82,000 Bitcoin and just blow the doors off of everyone. I've talked about this in the past. This is a beautiful business model for them. They buy Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin goes up. They sell more shares, which they can buy more Bitcoin, which causes the price of Bitcoin to go up, which means they can sell more shares, and they continue to do this, right? Now, some people might say, well, going back to buying CleanSpark and MicroStrategy, the reason those are up so much today is because they move a lot more than Bitcoin. And that's true. Typically, they are more leveraged. So if Bitcoin goes up, they'll go up even more than Bitcoin, but not 5 to 7x. That's not normal. Maybe 2x, something like that. So people are seeing what MicroStrategy is doing. People are seeing what CleanSpark is doing. They are buying in as much as they can. And like I said, I think there are huge entities buying Bitcoin right now. Huge entities getting people to buy Bitcoin in their trust, the private trust. We've talked about that with BlackRock before. They have probably hundreds of millions of dollars in Bitcoin. It's all culminating within the next couple of weeks with the ETF approval. I don't think that's the end of the pump for Bitcoin. I think that's really where the interesting stuff starts. So if you want to see more videos like this, I don't care where I am, I'll make videos. If you want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, if you've watched videos like this before from my channel and you like it, just hit subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later, but I would hate for you to miss something. So be on the lookout for more like this. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.